Hi, my name is Dallas Cornish, and this is my presentation for course CGS 2100. I'm planning on majoring in business entrepreneurship, so I would definitely recommend this course for anybody who wants to follow the same steps I'm going in. For this class, I was put into a team. I had 2 other people on my team, and they were fantastic in regards to communication and committing themselves into turning assignments in throughout the semester. For this class, through a simulation, we ran a cafe. We got to decide the cafe name, the pricing, employment, design, advertisement, who to fire, how much coffee to sell weekly, and other real-life decisions were made weekly, and we got to see a result every week. They would definitely increase but then decrease real easily. For this assignment, we had to transfer the data through those 13 weeks into this program, and that resulted in showing comparisons through graphs. So for the first graph up here, it shows our competitors compared to our sales. So there's 4 cafe examples that we were competing against. I remember Cafe Name and the Busy Bean were definitely our biggest competitors. For the first couple of weeks, we stayed in first, and I was really proud of that. The others were coming in close, but we stayed in first. And then around week 11, I remember we just started dropping first place to 5th place, to 3rd to 9th. It was all over the place. We just started dropping revenue, started losing customers. It was very difficult to keep up with the other cafes. For down here, this shows the revenue versus cups sold, and as you can tell from the graph, they would stay together. They would increase together, they would decrease together, and they spiked together in week 12. Week 12 was our highest cup sale. We sold 6,500 cups, but then it decreased in week 13. For this last one, we had our net income versus revenue. Revenue stayed above our net income through the 13 weeks. It never dropped. It just stayed increasing, both of them. They started really close in week 1, but then as it started to get to week 13, they just got further and further away, with our revenue to be $248,261 and our net income as $98,823. Yeah. I liked this program when creating this assignment. At first it was difficult for me because I didn't really understand the instructions, but once I got it, I had a good time putting it together. It was very organized, and I really liked how we got to color organize everything. And I think I'm definitely going to use this for other classes and even outside of school when I want to compare any kind of data, really. I eventually want to start a little craft business, so I can definitely use this for creating that, and I think it'll be very helpful for me, and I think it's very helpful for other people to use for any kind of assignment they need.